I like storage space. You probably like storage space. We all like storage space. So I decided to go ahead and make some more storage space. Let's just get into it. The shelves will be 8 feet wide and 16 inches deep. I end up using 6 2x4s, a sheet of plywood that is a 1/2 inch thick, and I only use about half of it, and a bunch of drywall screws. I pre-drilled all the spots where I'm going to put a screw through, and it makes it a heck of a lot more easy and accurate when putting it together, especially with one person. I think I did this for just about every single screw on this. You could never have enough clamps. Just imagine how many clamps you need and double it, and that's how many you should buy. As you notice here, I had a laser level, but it wasn't working out too well because the front kind of bends down and covers up the laser beam, and you can't tell if it's level or not. So I just used that to get it started, and then used my 4-foot level to finish her off. Without the top piece on it, it kind of bows out when you put weight on it. So right here I'm just kind of trying to make it a little bit facing upwards, but when you put the top flat piece on it right here, that tightens everything up nice and tight, and so it's not gonna go anywhere. No bowing. Since I know that this is level, I'm just going to go ahead and measure the amount of height I want above this, the amount of clearance I want, which is 16 inches. To the concrete to the bottom of the shelf is 2 feet, and from the top of the first shelf to the bottom of the second shelf will be 16 inches. And again, they are 16 inches deep. This is where pre-drilling and putting the screws in beforehand is absolutely essential if you're going to be doing this one person. Heck, it'd be good just to do it even if you had more than one person. Put a lot of screws in this top portion through this plywood because that is what's preventing it from bowing out and ultimately supporting a lot of the weight. Plus, it's annoying to hear rattling when you put stuff on there. Something you might consider when, if you're gonna make something like this, is using smaller material. Use maybe a 2x3. It'll help putting it together because it's lighter and it's slightly more cheap. I decided to use 2x4 just because it's a little more beefy, and I never know what I'm gonna be putting up here. This stuff is super light, but who knows? Also, got some boys running around here, little rascals, like to climb things, and so I know if I could climb on this, they could climb on this, even though they better not. Another consideration is these weight supports here, the legs. I have them set in at an angle. You couldn't, for simplicity, just do it straight down, but I don't like that because I don't like stubbing my toes, and I like to blow out my garage all the time, and that just catches a bunch of stuff. All right, so it's all done, and it's great. Holds a lot of weight. Climb on it. Do whatever.